Hello everybody, welcome back. Another AI video, and this one, we're in WinxVideo AI, and this is a fantastic AI toolkit. It handles images and videos, and it does a lot of really cool things. This toolkit, amongst other things, allows you to record videos, record your screen. You can convert videos from one format to another, and then there's all the different things you can do with the image side of things. If you need to colorize a photo from black and white or sepia, go ahead and do that. You want to upscale an image up to 4 times, can do that too. It enhances images. It does all of these things and more. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so now that you've got it downloaded and installed, and if you don't have it downloaded and installed, just click on the link in the description below and you can download it for free. The next step is I'm going to click on Image AI here. We're going to be working with some images, and then I'm going to go ahead and just expand this so it's the full size of the screen here. Now, up at the top right, you're going to see it says GPU, and it says GeForce 4060, and then it says Intel UHD graphics. So it has automatically detected the hardware that I'm using on my computer. So it knows I have a 4060 RTX. So that's pretty cool already. So here we go. Now, let's go ahead and just start cooking up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Image in the bottom left here. And when I do that, I'm just going to select an image. I'm going to select image 3 because this one is very blurry. It's not a good image. On the left side here, we can go ahead and take a look here. If I zoom in a bit here, you'll see how blurry it is on the left. And on the right, well, it's much better, but it's not perfect. Let's be honest here. So on the right side, we've got a few options here. Let's start up at the top here. There are 4 default AI models that we can use. The one we're starting with is Get Detail, but if you're into anime or ZYXT, I don't even know what that is, or Real Smooth, there's a couple of different options here. Let's stick with Get Detail for now. You'll see here that we can upscale this image automatically. So the image itself starts at 4096 by 4096. But if we want to go to 16K, watch this. I just clicked on 4X, and we are going to upscale this. It's going to take a few seconds. I'm going to come back when this is done, and then I'm going to show you how we can kind of get the little bit of the blur out of the image. All right, welcome back. So we've gone ahead and upscaled it. And again, we're still working on getting this to where we want it to be, but it's a step-by-step process. As restoration and upscaling and all that good stuff is. Now I'm going to click on Enhance Image 1X. This is going to go ahead and enhance the image. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and do face restoration, which is going to get rid of all of that nasty blur. Let's watch how this goes. All right, so we can see where this is going. The left side's quite blurry. The right side is far less blurry. It's enhanced. It's upscaled 4X, but we still need to do some de-blurring here. So I'm now going to click on Face Restoration. This is the final piece here in this image here. And look, it already did it quickly. Now, if we zoom in, let's take a look here. On the left side, we have a blurry image. On the right side, we have a very detailed, high-resolution, 4X upscaled, enhanced image. This was all done without punching in anything. I didn't even type anything in. It's just click of a button, and it gets the job done. So this is the first thing I want to show you. Now, let's get into the next bit. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is this right here. We're going to take a monochrome black and white photo like here on the left side. We are going to upscale it, we're going to enhance it, and we're going to colorize it all without even typing anything in. We're just going to do it clicking our mouse. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to close this up here, and then bam, here we are back at the beginning. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to upscale, enhance, and colorize old black and white monochrome images. It is unbelievably easy to do with WinxVideo AI. I'm just going to click on Add Image, and then I've got an image on my desktop. Let's call it this one here. It's called Sharpie. And on the left side, let's go ahead and expand this out so you can see a little better. On the left side, we've got the original image. On the right side, so far, we've just upscaled it 2X. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upscale it to 4X, because why not? Older images tend to be, obviously a little bit lower quality because they're 100 years old. And you can already, if I zoom in here, you can already see that this has got some blurring and soft on the outsides, where this has got lots of sharpness and strong lines. So we've gone ahead and done that already. The next step, I wish it was more difficult, but it's not. I'm literally going to go ahead and click on Colorizing Monochrome Image. When you do this, this is going to go now and automatically add color. And let's go zoom in a little bit more so you can sort of see what's happening here. But look at that here. You can see the blue skies up there in the background. The building's got some color. The clouds have got that nice white color here. And honestly, for a one-click solution, this is fantastic. And it didn't add any funny colors to this car because that's a black car. So it didn't go ahead and paint it red like a lot of other programs would do. So there you go. That was a one-click solution. We've upscaled it, and if you're still not 100% happy, you can always click on Enhance Image and see what this gives you. This is also quite good here. It's got a nice look to it, but again, I can go ahead and flip through these options here, but that is literally all there is to it. Also, if you want to try out the different AI models instead of going with the detailed one, although if I'm being honest, this is my favorite one by quite a margin, but Real Smooth version 2 is very good, especially for those de-blurring situations. So if you've got an old blurry image, you may want to give that one a crack. But in a nutshell, this is WinxVideo AI. It upscales, it enhances, it restores, it colorizes images. It does all of these things literally with clicks. You don't even have to type anything. You just drag and drop in, hit a button, and it's done. So if you have to do this at scale, if you have a lot of images you need to upscale or you need to colorize, I highly recommend this program. It gets it done. Thanks for watching.